The crew taxis into position. In just 30 seconds, everything will change. A typhoon rages over Taipei. Rain lashes the windshield. Visibility is vanishing by the second, but the flight must leave. The airport is minutes from closing. The captain advances the throttles. The engines scream. The massive 747 surges forward. 80 knots, 100, 120. Wipers fight against the torrent. Then, out of the darkness, shapes, lights, concrete, construction equipment. Straight ahead, the captain's eyes go wide. They're gonna crash. There's no time to stop, no time to react. The jet barrels forward toward the barriers. This is a harrowing story of Singapore Airlines Flight 006. October 31st, 2000. A typhoon is closing in. Jamie's winds are already slamming the airport. At Gate B5 of Taiyuan International, a Singapore Airlines 747 is prepping for departure. For the crew, this is the second of 4 flights. Last night, Singapore to Taipei. Tonight, Taipei to Los Angeles, then back before heading home. The aircraft 9B SPK is unmissable. Its bright tropical livery screams national pride. But tonight, it will become infamous for all the wrong reasons. As the typhoon approaches, other carriers cancel. Airports at Kaohsiung and Hong Kong shut down. If Taipei closes, everyone here is stuck. Still, Flight 006 is set to go. Just 18 hours earlier, the same crew flew this exact plane in. And even then, the weather was nasty. Crosswinds made handling difficult. Visibility dropped to less than 1,000 feet. But Captain Fu landed clean. That success gives him confidence. What he doesn't know is that the real threat tonight isn't the storm. It's something far worse. Something no one on the flight sees coming. 9:53 p.m. The pilots report for duty. They review paperwork, run pre-flight checks. Walk into the cockpit. They see catering crews struggling against the wind. The storm's making even basic tasks difficult. Take your time, the captain tells them. No need to rush tonight. His tone sets the theme for the entire evening. Slow, steady, safe. Captain Fu Chi Kong is 41, a 21-year Singapore Airlines veteran. Calm, experienced, methodical. First Officer Latif is 36. He's excited and a bit nervous. It's his first time flying through a typhoon. Relief Pilot Wong is 38, with 5,500 hours under his belt. He'll assist on the long Pacific leg ahead. During checks, they note that Runway 05 right is closed for construction. It doesn't seem important yet, but that small detail will prove critical. Runway 05 right wasn't even supposed to be a runway. Originally, it was just a taxiway parallel to 05 left. Midway through construction, it was upgraded to a backup runway. But over time, pilots stopped using it. Now it's being torn up, turned back into a taxiway. Construction crews left behind bulldozers, excavators, concrete barriers, all sitting on the pavement, right in the path of danger. Flashing red lights were placed around them. They were the only warning.